Have you ever by any chance witnessed street dogs barking at night for literally nothing? It's actually pretty common all around the globe, which arises a simple yet weird question. Is that something that they really see at night, or what exactly they bark at? What does it actually mean? Well, we have the answer to all these night crawling questions, so stick around because we bring all these stuffs in under the 2 minutes video. The actual truth is there is no actual answer to why dogs bark at night. It really depends on the dog and what is going on in his environment. Most dogs who bark at night do it while they are outside, which means causes of the behavior are related to the outdoors. Here are a few reasons or clues which lead them to bark at night. The first one is noises. Dogs have a very good hearing and it's significantly better than ours. They can hear sounds that we can't notice. So while you may not hear anything while standing in your backyard at night, your dog might. If your dog is noise sensitive and reacts to strange sounds and with barking, you can be sure far away sounds will set him off. Wildlife. Most dogs are interested in wild animals, whether it's a squirrel, raccoon or deer. Although you can't see or hear wildlife near your yard at night, your dog can. In fact, dogs will bark at sounds and movement in the night, whether it's just a wind or a hunch. Number 3. Other dogs. Social facilitated barking or group barking results when a dog hears another dog barking and follows suit. Since dogs are pack animals, they are very reactive to the behavior of other dogs. The assumption is that if a dog in the neighborhood is barking, there must be a good reason. So your dog and all other dogs in the area chime in. Next time you want to shut your dog, you might need to shut his friends in the backyard as well. The next one is boredom. Dogs become bored easily when they have nothing to do and will make their own fun. Barking at every sound they hear, joining in with their neighbor dogs in a group barking session, or just barking to let out energy are all reasons behind night barking. The last one is loneliness. Dogs are very social animals and they can become lonely when they left outside alone at night. Howling is one way dogs express loneliness, but they can also bark insensitively to try and gain human attention. The solution to this, well, there's no solution. It's a part of their DNA and it's pretty common that we already accepted it as a way of life. But why exactly at night? It is solely because the night is less crowded and silent, which makes the dog more sensitive to outdoor environments. So next time if a dog chases you at night, always remember you can shut him out but not his friends. If you liked our content, don't forget to subscribe us out. We will bring more content to you on daily basis. So until then, keep hitting your blind spot.